have a free line here. I will overtake this because it's driving good but a little slow. I don't have a heavy load today. I think I have about 7 tons loaded in the trailer, and this is why I'm driving too fast. I think I will also make also this. But I have a car there. It's coming very fast. And after this another one. And when I will have the road free, then I will make the overtake. Anyway, now I'm too close. I have the radar of the truck, which is tells me with this red here I'm too close. It's less than 50 meters. When I have less than 50 meters, the radar of the truck tells me I have to put the brake or overtake, because it's not a safety safety distance. And I have a little car behind of me, but I will I'll take this two, and then I go and make some place. I'll drive on the first line, I make some place, and then I go again, overtaking. I cannot block the highway. Because it's driving very slow, I cannot enter also here, because I make the trouble for this truck, which he needs. And now inside first line, and it's okay. Anyway, now it's speed limit 80 here because it's raining, and when it's raining the speed limit on the highway normal it's 80, but we are not driving with 80 always. Depends how strong is this rain and other stuffs. Now I'm too close for the truck on the front of me, and I have to reduce the speed. And after these 2-3 cars I can try to make another overtake. Anyway, today is Friday, and I hope the motorway is not so busy during my driving time. Crossing the border, crossing Passau, Regensburg. This is the cities where, or the places where usually I have to wait. This is very bad, because if I lost somewhere 20 minutes or more, I cannot handle the 4.5 hour driving to be on my destination. This is why I hope don't have busy traffic or stau or accidents or whatever. So now I just let a little more space, and now they give me a flashlight. I tell some thank you. Set this mirror in the other one. It's not working. Oh yeah, now it's okay. Truck is driving good, 90